making a ridiculously easy hot fudge. It can be prepared 2 ways. You could microwave it or you could heat it over the stove. For time's sake, today I'm just going to microwave it. Put our chocolate chips in. My microwave is down here. And I'm going to start just the chips, and we're gonna be using this silk creamer, which is the best creamer ever. If you haven't tried it, you definitely should. So after it's kind of softened, I am going to pour this in, stir it a little bit, and put it back in. You can use this for a bunch of different things. You can use it for sundaes, hot fudge sundaes, which is my favorite way to use it. You can definitely tailor this to your own flavors. You can throw in a little cayenne pepper for some Mexican chocolate. You can throw in peppermint is my favorite thing to put in, some peppermint flavor. It's really great because it ends up being really soft, but it hardens when you put it on ice cream. So the top of it is a little bit hard and crunchy, and then the inside is really gooey. You could also put different kinds of nuts in it, some peanuts or pecans, and you coat those and then put them in the fridge and it'll harden on top of that. So you can see it's softened a lot. So now we'll add our creamer. Add a little bit at a time, maybe half and half. You could use other milks, but then I would use a little bit less. The creamer's nice because it's thick and it's actually got a little bit of sweetness to it. And now we're going to put it back in after I fully mix it for another 20 seconds. On the stovetop, I would just pour the chocolate chips and the creamer in together. And then you want to stir pretty often until it softens on the lowest heat possible. Until next time, remember to be kind to all kinds.